and today I'm going to tell you how to add the voice in your PowerPoints, or you people know that how to voice over. So for that, what you need to do, you have to just click on Insert tab and audio option, click Record Audio. When you are going to click, it will show a small window where the sound name is recorded sound name is there. You can suggest your own name or your choices. So now for the recording of your voice, what you need to do, you have to click on this red symbol and just click and it will start recording. So just now going to click over there and I'm going to record my voice. This is my PowerPoint slide 1 and I want to show you how to record the audio. That's it. Now you can click on OK. So after clicking on OK, you will see there is a small speaker button. Speaker icon will appear on your screen. You can place it anywhere, wherever you want. You can keep it anywhere. Now, if I want to record my audio on the some other slide, so what I need to do, I need to follow the same process. I'm clicking on slide number 2, audio, record audio, and red button. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic concepts of database. So these are the introduction, basic concept or definition, need of database. That's it. Click on OK. Now you again you will see the same process there. You can place it anywhere. Okay. Same you can do with the slide number 3, 4, 5, 6, as many slides you have. So when I'm going to for the PowerPoint presentation, so I'm just going to slideshow. So now you can see there is no voice to play your voice. What you need to do, you need to just click with your mouse. This is my PowerPoint slide 1 and I want to show you how to record the audio. That's it. Now you can click on OK. Now as you can see, just now the first slide played very well. Second slide, by mouse click, you can you will have an option that you can record your audio with the help of you can play your audio automatically without clicking on the mouse. So just second slide. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic concepts of database. So these are the introduction, basic concept or definition, need of database. That's it. Click on OK. So now I'm going to end my slideshow. Now I'm going to tell you how to do it automatically. You need to select the audio option. When you click over there, there will be the audio tool option will be there on the top of the title bar. So you can have to click over there and you will get audio option playback. Okay. So now there is an option on click. Here you have to do automatically, and you want that this icon should not be appear while you are playing your slides. So just hide it during the show. So when you are going to click over there, it will hide your or this icon. So now I'm going to play it slideshow. This is my PowerPoint slide 1 and I want to show you how to record the audio. That's it. Now you can click on OK. So now you have seen that how it is recording the voice, and without mouse click it starts the audio. So now I'm going to move to the next slide. So same everywhere, wherever you want to do this same formation you need to apply. Just hide the icon, click that icon and hide that icons. Okay, I hope it will be helpful to you and you can use this one. Thank you.